Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. It's an exclusive video for this week. As I have mentioned last week, the market was consolidated positively during last week without any major gain. But there are some stocks traded well, and this is the reason we have changed our strategy last few months back, and it's working exactly. So let us go into the details. The Sensex was closed positive today, 53,234.77, and Nifty was closed at 15,835.35, and on coming week we may expect positive momentum in Indian stock market, and we may expect Nifty up to 16,500 level and the Sensex about 54,250 level. But always take note that it's a short time trend. Don't confuse when Nifty and Sensex trading positive. That will be only a short time trend for 6 to 7 days. After that again stock market will crash and Sensex will trade below 50,000 in couple of weeks and Nifty will trade below 14,500 level. Why I am saying this is to plan well and to avoid holding any stock with a reasonable profit, because usually what we will do is when the Sensex and Nifty trading positive, we may think that again the market is going to hit its all-time high. That will not be happen. The entire Indian stock market will trade negative throughout this year, and as I am reminding in my past videos, the global crises are getting worsened day by day, and most of the major economies are trying to control the inflation level. India also has taken some measures, and that will make a short-term trend reversal in Indian stock market. Why I am saying that again there will be a crash in market is because Russia is planning to reduce its oil production. In that case, the crude oil price will go up again in international market, and that will reflect in all major economies including India. So we have to trade with caution and always try to maintain the practice of booking profit whenever you find a reasonable profit from any stock, and try to switch from stock to stock and avoid holding any stock with profit on long time perspective. And whatever the stock you are holding on long time with losses, no need to worry, just hold it. Even what we are seeing in the entire scenario in Indian stock market, that will be for only 6 to 7 months or maximum up to May 2023. After that again the Indian stock market will start to boom. As long as we are holding the fundamentally strong stocks, those stocks will perform and will never disappoint, and try to utilize the current trend as an opportunity to make the average, especially the stock like Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited, Bhaginagar India Limited, Asian Granito. There are many stocks which are trading very undervalued, and those stocks will perform and will make a reasonable gain when the Indian stock market rebound. So let us go into our this week recommendation. The first stock for this week is South Indian Bank Limited. Currently it is trading at 7.61 rupees per share, and today it was traded 0.13% positive, and the market capitalization of the bank is 1,592.58 crore. And the second stock for this week is Him Technoforge Limited. Himtech, currently it is trading at 86.30, and today it was traded positive 6.61%, and the current market capitalization is 67.88 crore. Actually Him Technoforge made enough profit to us, and it was traded very low, and the stock made multi-bagger return of almost 4 to 5 times from our earlier recommendation within the span of 1.5 years. Currently it is trading at reasonable price. As we expect the market rebound on short time basis, all our recent recommendation will perform for sure, and the stock like North Biogenes India Limited, which was recommended few weeks back, currently it is trading at 187.10 rupees per share. The currently stock is trading with reasonable profit. Try to take the exit from the stock and move to new stock. And Novartis India Limited, currently it is trading at 662.70 rupees per share. This stock also with reasonable profit from our recommendation level. And Stride Pharma Science Limited, currently it is trading at 335.30 rupees per share. Stride Pharma Science also trading with reasonable profit. Try to take exit from any stock with reasonable profit and switch your fund to new stock. And on coming week, especially for another 6 to 7 days, we may expect better gain in Indian stock market, and most of our stock from our earlier recommendation will hit our target, and whenever you find a reasonable profit, try to take exit and move to another stock. So this is a strategy we have to follow, because after a short rally the Indian stock market will decline again, and as I have mentioned, the Nifty will trade below 14,500 and Sensex will hit below 50,000 level in next couple of weeks. Before that, whenever you find a reasonable profit, you have to take the exit from those stocks and we have to divert the fund. But no need to worry, actually. See, even if the market is declined, there will be gain in individual stock. Even last week's also the entire market was trading negative, you can see here, but still we made profit from many stocks. So this is the reason I am saying we should be cautious and avoid holding any stock with profit. So once again, thank you very much and kindly stay tuned.